How to add your address on Booking.com. If you need to add your address on Booking.com, the process is quick and straightforward. Start by opening the Booking.com app on your phone. Once inside, navigate to My Account, which you'll find in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open your account settings. From here, scroll through the available options and look for Personal Details. This is where your personal information is stored. Tap on it to proceed. Within the Personal Details section, locate the address field. If you haven't added an address yet, you will see an option labeled Add Your Address. Tap on it. This will open a form where you can input all necessary details. You'll need to enter your country, street address, zip code, and city. Make sure all the information is correct to avoid any issues with your bookings. Once you have carefully filled out each field, don't forget to save your changes. Your address will now be linked to your Booking.com profile, making future reservations smoother and more convenient. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.